Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Anti-ship missiles are precision-guided munitions designed for targeting naval vessels. Equipped with advanced guidance systems, they can be launched from various platforms, including ships, submarines, and aircraft. These missiles often incorporate stealth features, have long-range capabilities, and carry diverse warhead options. Their strategic importance lies in their role in sea control, power projection, and influencing maritime geopolitics. Advanced countermeasures and ongoing technological evolution characterize this critical component of modern naval warfare. Today, we want to show you the top 10 best anti-ship missiles in the world. Brimstone SEPAR. The Brimstone SEPAR is an air and surface-launched anti-ship missile designed to strike fast-moving, swarming inshore attack ships. Although erroneously considered to be a basic adaptation of the Brimstone II, several features distinguish the SEPAR from its predecessors. First, the missile is equipped with an inertial navigation system for mid-course guidance, in addition to an SAL and MMW seeker for terminal guidance. Second, the SEPAR carries a 35-pound or 16-kilogram payload, 22 pounds or 10 kilograms larger than any other variant, to ensure it can sufficiently damage fast inshore attack craft. Third, the SEPAR is designed to hit swarming targets like small unmanned aerial vehicles or missile salvos, not merely fast-moving ones. When fired from a surface vessel, the missile uses a triple-rail launcher similar to a 3-round pylon used for air-launched variants. In 2013, MBDA tested 3 SEPARs from a surface launcher and hit 3 fast inshore attack craft targets, including 1 mobile target. SSM 700K Sea-Star. The SSM 700K Sea-Star, or HISONG, is a ship-launched, sea-skimming surface-to-surface anti-ship cruise missile developed by the South Korean Agency for Defense Development, LIG Next One, and the Republic of Korea Navy in 2003. The missiles are deployed on KDX-2 and KDX-3 destroyers, each carrying 8 and 16 of the missiles respectively, and on Ulsan-class frigates. A mid-range cruise missile, the HISONG was developed for over-the-horizon warfare, capable of attacking targets out to 93 miles or 150 kilometers. Traveling at ultra-low sea-skimming altitudes, it uses a high subsonic, high-capacity turbojet with inertial navigation system and GPS to guide it towards its target, using a radar altimeter to maintain altitude. An active radar is used for targeting in the terminal phase immediately before impact. It was designed to be deployed in an active electronic warfare environment, fitted with both detection and countermeasure systems. The warhead itself is similar to the Harpoon, fitted with an impact or penetration fuse. Neptune. The R360 Neptune is a Ukrainian subsonic cruise missile with all-weather capabilities developed by the Luch Design Bureau in Kyiv. Originally designed as an anti-ship missile, an alternative model was fielded in 2023 with a new guidance system to support land attack roles. It has a range of over 124 miles or 200 kilometers. Neptune's design is based on the Soviet Kh-35 subsonic anti-ship missile, with substantially improved range, targeting, and electronics equipment. The system requirement was for a single missile to defeat surface warships and transport vessels with a displacement of up to 9,000 tons, either in convoys or moving individually. The first training missile division entered service with the Ukrainian Navy in March 2021, with first operational naval use in 2022 and land attack use in 2023. A typical Neptune coastal defense battery consists of 6 launcher vehicles with a total of 24 anti-ship missiles. Launcher vehicles can be located up to 15 miles or 25 kilometers from the sea. It takes 15 minutes to prepare this coastal defense missile system for firing. Harpoon. The Harpoon is an over-the-horizon anti-ship missile developed by Boeing Defense, Space and Security. It is the world's superior anti-ship missile capable of performing land strike and anti-ship missions. More than 600 warships, 180 submarines, 12 types of aircraft, and mobile land-based launch platforms are armed with Harpoon missiles. The 500-pound, 227-kilogram penetration, high-explosive blast warhead provides the missile with sufficient firepower to destroy coastal defense and surface-to-air missile sites, aircraft, port and industrial installations, and dock ships. The Harpoon tracks its quarry using active radar and detonates on contact. Propulsion comes from a Teledyne CAE J402 400 turbojet, allowing the Harpoon to cruise at about 383 miles per hour or 617 kilometers per hour. The missile is deployed from submarines and surface ships such as fast patrol boats, destroyers, and frigates. The aerial platforms include the FA-18, F-15, F-16, F-27, F-50, P-3, and S-3 aircraft. The Harpoon Block II missiles can also be launched from mobile and land-based truck platforms. Mare ER. MBDA's new Mare ER anti-ship missile successfully completed its final test firing at the end of November 2021. Carried out at an Italian test range in Sardinia, the firing was a key milestone in the validation process of Mare ER. The Mare ER design was initially launched with an inertial self-funded project on the basis of customers' operational requirements for an anti-ship weapons systems with an intermediate range and capable to be launched by rotary wing platforms. The Mare ER missile weighs 695 pounds or 315 kilograms. Instead of a solid-fuel rocket motor, the Mare ER missile uses a turbojet engine. To be fitted with new store management system, the NFH-90 and AW-101 helicopters will be able to operate both Mare ER anti-ship missiles, with the ability to hit targets well beyond a distance of 62 miles or 100 kilometers. The Mare ER missile is also going to be integrated on the Eurofighter Typhoon and other fast jets. The Mare ER is a high subsonic, 685 miles per hour or 1,102 kilometers per hour skid-to-turn missile with midsection X-arranged foldable wings and similarly arranged rear foldable control surfaces and actuators in order to ensure a more intermediate response to commands, providing an overall enhanced maneuverability, especially in the terminal phase, to ensure higher survivability. AGM-158C LRASM. The AGM-158C LRASM, or Long Range Anti-Ship Missile, is a stealth air-launched anti-ship cruise missile developed for the United States Air Force and United States Navy by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Derived from the AGM-158B JASSM-ER, the LRASM was intended to pioneer more sophisticated autonomous targeting capabilities than the U.S. Navy's current Harpoon anti-ship missile, which has been in service since 1977. Armed with a 992-pound or 450-kilogram proven penetrator and blast fragmentation warhead, LRASM cruises autonomously, day or night, in all weather conditions. The missile employs a multimodal sensor, weapon data link, and an enhanced digital anti-jam global positioning system to detect and destroy specific targets within a group of ships. Developers state that its range is greater than 230 miles or 370 kilometers. Some sources speculate that it might have a range of 348 miles or 560 kilometers, considering that the AGM-158B JASSM-ER it is based on has a range of 570 miles or 930 kilometers. This missile travels at subsonic speed. The stealthy anti-ship missile has been designed to have reduced radar cross-section and IR signature, so it is hard to detect and intercept. Its stealthiness makes it easier to overcome advanced air defense systems. YJ-21. The YJ-21 is a Chinese anti-ship ballistic missile. The missile system is reportedly capable of engaging land targets and surface warships with a hypersonic, maneuverable conventional warhead. The missile is possibly based on an export-oriented ballistic missile produced by China, named CM-401, but with more advanced features and capabilities. Publications of the PLA Navy suggested the YJ-21 is derived from DF-21D anti-ship ballistic missiles. The missile is claimed with a flight speed of Mach 6, or 4,567 miles per hour, or 7,350 kilometers per hour, and a terminal speed of Mach 10, or 7,612 miles per hour, or 12,250 kilometers per hour. The missile was revealed by the Chinese Navy ahead of its 73rd anniversary, launching from a universal vertical launch system of the Type 055 destroyer. An export version called the YJ-21E was showcased in Air Show China in 2022. China's hypersonic missile-armed HK-6 bombers will now be conducting routine, all-weather, around-the-clock encirclement patrols around the island of Taiwan. Naval Strike Missile. The Naval Strike Missile (NSM) is a long-range, fifth-generation precision strike anti-ship land attack cruise missile developed by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, an aerospace and defense company based in Norway. The NSM is a successor to the Penguin anti-ship missile, and it's primarily designed to defeat heavily protected maritime targets in contested environments. It can also be deployed in a secondary role for land attacks. The stealth design of the NSM allows the anti-ship missile to penetrate shipboard defenses. The NSM is effectively used in littoral and open sea environments. The airframe design and the high thrust-to-weight ratio enhance the maneuverability of the missile. The missile can carry a 275-pound or 125-kilogram high-explosive fragmentation warhead for a maximum range of more than 115 miles or 185 kilometers. The launch weight of the missile is 897 pounds or 407 kilograms. The NSM can be fired from a range of platforms against a variety of targets. The passive homing missile travels in sea-skimming mode and can make advanced terminal maneuvers in the terminal phase with a very low signature to survive against enemy air defenses. Atma. The Atma is an all-weather, long-range precision strike anti-ship cruise missile developed by the Turkish missile manufacturer Roketsan. The Atma will enter service with the Turkish Navy to gradually replace the country's existing inventory of Harpoon missiles. The missile makes use of its global positioning system, inertial navigation system, barometric altimeter, and radar altimeter to navigate towards its target, while its active radar seeker pinpoints the target with high precision. With a range of more than 140 miles or 220 kilometers, this guided missile poses a major threat for targets situated beyond the line of sight due to its high-explosive fragmentation warhead. Roketsan's Atma anti-ship missile can only be detected by the target platform at a distance of 11 to 12 miles or 18 to 20 kilometers due to its low radar cross-sectional area and super-sea skimming, which means that it can fly close to the water surface. Based on Atma's speed of 647 miles per hour or 1,041 kilometers per hour, this gives the crew of the target ship a very limited reaction time. RBS-15 Gungnir. The RBS-15 Gungnir is the next-generation missile in the RBS-15 family of anti-ship missile systems offered by Saab Group. The Gungnir is the system-level designation, whereas the air-launch configuration is called the RBS-15 Mk4. It is manufactured by Saab in collaboration with German company Diehl Defense. The term Gungnir refers to the spear of Norse god Odin in the Scandinavian mythology. The missile is designed to dominate the littoral environment and offer a long-lasting and adaptable solution to address the future defense needs of naval, land, and air forces across the world. The versatile capabilities of RBS-15 Gungnir missile solution enable the operators to use it in 3 different configurations, which include an air-launched, ship-launched, and land-based configuration. The warhead placed in the middle of the missile weighs approximately 440 pounds, or 200 kilograms. The highly destructive warhead can destroy any kind of vessel. The propulsion system enables the missile to travel at a high subsonic speed of 685 miles per hour, or 1,102 kilometers per hour. The range of the missile is more than 186 miles, or 300 kilometers, which is greater than that of other missiles in the RBS-15 family. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the missiles you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.